All right, let's talk about two tiny words that can sometimes be a little tricky: have and has. In this quick explainer, we're going to master them. Stick with me, and I guarantee you'll know exactly when to use each one. Okay, to kick things off, let's meet a few characters and see what they've got. Make sure you listen really closely to the words we use to talk about their stuff. So first up, we've got Raja. And Raja tells us, I have a dog. Okay, notice that word he used, have. Next, let's imagine we're talking to Kashem. We'd say to him, you have a toy. See? There's that word again, have. And now, let's meet Balaka. Now when we talk about her, we say, she has a balloon. Whoa, hold on a second. Did you catch that? The word just flipped. It went from have to has. And check it out, the pattern keeps going. Rita has a frock, Sita has a bag, Motin has a bat, and Toni has books. It's starting to look like whenever we're talking about just one person by their name, we use has. Interesting. Okay, so we're definitely seeing a pattern here, but what's the actual rule behind it? This is the big question, right? Why do we say I have a dog, but then turn around and say she has a balloon? What's the secret code? Let's make this super clear. We'll put our examples right next to each other. Over here on the left, you see I have and you have. And on the right, it's all has. When you see it like this, the difference really pops, doesn't it? All right, no more guessing games. It's time to crack the code. Let's get right into the official rules. But first, just a super quick definition. Words like have and has are what we call to-have verbs, and their job is really simple. They just show that something belongs to someone. They show possession. And here they are, the 3 simple rules to make you a pro. Rule number 1, you're always going to use have with I, you, we, and they. Got it? Rule 2, you also use have if you're talking about more than one person or thing. And finally, rule 3, you use has for a single person or a single thing, like he, she, or a name. Just not for I or you. That's it. That's the whole secret. Okay, enough with the rules. You know the best way to really learn this stuff is to try it yourself. So, it's your turn. Let's put these rules to the test. All right, here's the first one. A dog, blank, 4 legs. So think about it. A dog. Is that one thing or many things? Yes, it's has. A dog is just one single thing, right? So our third rule tells us we gotta use has. Okay, ready for the next one? I blank a pen. Remember that special rule we just learned about the word I? You got it. It's have. Rule number 1 was super clear. After I, it's always have. All right, let's do one more. Toni blank books. Now, Toni is the name of a single person. So what does that tell you? Perfect. Toni has books. It's just like we saw with Rita and Sita and Motin before. A single name gets has. You're crushing this. Okay, you've done the hard work, so now let's pull it all together in one handy spot. Think of this as your final answer key, a super quick guide for any time you feel a little stuck. So let's just recap one more time. You're going to use have with I, you, we, they, and any group of things. And you'll use has with he, she, it, and any single name or single thing. This right here is your ultimate cheat sheet. All you have to do is check who or what you're talking about, and you'll nail it every single time. And just like that, you've got it. You now know the difference. So here's a final challenge for you. Apply it right now. Just look around the room. What is something that you have? Go ahead, say it out loud. See? You just used your new skill perfectly. Great job, and thanks for joining me.